Hi, today we're going to do lesson 2-7 in your math book. It's on page 115. And today we're continuing to talk about subtraction, but we're going to use addition to help us learn our subtraction facts. So what we're going to do is start with our word problem. It says Jenna has 6 beach balls. 4 of them blow to the other side of the pool. How many does she have left? So we're going to take this picture of the pool and make it into a part-whole chart. So it says she has 6 beach balls. That's the whole amount that she has. Tells us that 4 of them blow to the other side of the pool. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what we want to know is how many does she have left? So we're looking at 4 plus something equals 6. We're not sure what this last part is. So that's actually telling us that 6 minus the 4, if we cover this up, will tell us what's left. So let's start with 4 and count up until we get to 6. Here we have 4, 5, 6. How many balls are on this side? 2. So 4 plus 2 equals 6, or 6 take away 4 equals 2. All right, if we look on the next side, it says you can use addition to help you subtract. So if our fact is 7 take away 3, we have 7 is our whole amount. 3 is one of the parts, and we want to know what is the other part. So we can flip it around and say 3 plus something equals 7. 3 plus something equals 7. What can I add to 3 to make 7? So we start with 3 and we count up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many circles did I add? 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7. And if we flip that around and we start with our whole number 7, take away the 3, we're left with 4. So 7 take away 3 is 4. And 3 plus 4 is 7. All right, down here it says think addition to help you subtract. Draw the missing part, then write the numbers. So our whole number is 5. We're going to take away the 4 and we're going to see what's left. So if we change it around to adding, we say 4 plus something equals 5. So we start with 4 and we count up. 4, 5. So we have one circle. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 take away the 4 is 1. Okay, number 2. 6 take away 5. So 6 is our whole number. 5 is the part. What's left here? So we think to ourselves, 5 plus what will give me 6? So I start at 5 and I count up. 5, 6. Oh, how many dots did I draw? 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6, or 6 take away 5 is 1. All right. On page 117, if you want to try these on your own, go ahead and pause the video. If you'd like to continue working with me, just go ahead and keep working with me on the video. It says, think addition to help you subtract. Draw the missing part, then write the numbers. So here we have 8 is our whole number, 6 is part. So what's the second part? So we start at 6 and we're going to count up. 6, 7, 8. How many dots did I have to draw? 2. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. Now if we want to flip that around, we can say 8, that's our big number. Take away this part, the 6, we're left with this part, the 2. Number 4. 4 plus something equals 7. And we want to know what is this missing number. So we start with 4 and we're going to count up until we get to 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. How many dots did I draw? 1, 2, 3. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. If we flip it around and we start with our whole number 7, we take away the 4, we're left with the 3. All right, over here, 4 is our whole number, 3 is part. What do we add to 3 to get to 4? So we're going to start with 3 and we're going to count up to 4. 3, 4. How many dots did I have to draw? 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. If we flip it around to the takeaway, we start with our whole number 4, take away the 3, and we're left with the 1. 4 take away 3 is 1. Now this one's kind of strange. This one's using the shapes instead of numbers. So it says, if we have the circle plus the triangle, so that's the two parts, equal the square. The square is the whole number. Then the whole number minus the circle equals what? What's left? If we take the square minus the circle, guess what's left? The triangle. So if we have the whole number minus one of the parts, we're left with the other part. Let's turn to page 118. It says, Pam needs 8 tickets to get on a ride. She has 2 tickets. She needs some more tickets. How many tickets does Pam still need? So I'm going to go ahead and draw my part whole. She needs 8 tickets. That's the whole amount. She has 2. Okay, so 2 plus something is going to give me 8. And when I flip that around, it's going to be 8. Take away the 2 is going to give me the last part. So now let's figure out what this part is. We have 2, and I'm going to count up to 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, how many circles did I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 6 equals 8. 8 take away the 2 leaves us with the 6. So she needs 6 more tickets. All right, down here, Kathy has a box that holds 6 crayons. 4 crayons are inside the box. She uses addition to find out how many are missing. Is Kathy correct? Well, let's draw a part whole. So over here, I'm just going to draw my chart. And it says she has a box that holds 6 crayons. That's the most it can hold, so that's our total. 4 crayons are already in the box. Okay? What number's left? So, am I going to have a bigger number than 6? Can I fit more crayons in the box than what the box holds? Not very easily, huh? So what I need to know is, here's 4, and I'm going to count up to 6. 4, 5, 6. So what we actually have is the total number of crayons minus the 4 that's in there equals the 2. So she should have taken away instead of added there. All right, number 9. Which addition facts can help you solve the problem? Choose all that apply, which means there may be more than one answer. So here we have our whole number 9 minus the 2. If I want to figure out what this missing number is, I'm going to say 2 plus something equals 9. And then I'm going to count up, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many circles did I have to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 7 equals 9. This one. Do you see anything else on that problem that could also be an answer? Let's look at this. Do you see a number that has 2 or a problem that has 2? Right there. Does it also have a 7? Yes, it does. Can we flip these around either way and still get 9? We sure can. So 7 plus 2 is the exact same thing as 2 plus 7. So both of these equations could be correct. So we can mark both of them. All right, now it's time for you to do your homework practice. So you're going to pause the video, do pages 119 and 120, and then come back and we will check your answers. All right, down here it says write an addition fact that will help you write and solve the subtraction fact. So here I have 4 purple plus 3 red for a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, I could also switch this around and start with all 7, and then I can cross off, I can cover one of them. So I'm going to take away the purple, take away the 4, and I'm left with 3. So these two are our addition and subtraction fact. You could have also said 7 take away 3 equals 4. Either one would work. Here we have 2 plus 1 equals 3. And here you start with 3, and you could take away the 2 and get 1. Or you could start with the 3 and take away the 1 and get 2. So either one of those subtraction facts would work. Here we have 3 plus 5 equals 8. For our takeaway, we're going to start with all 8, and maybe I'll take away the purple. So I'll take away 3. That leaves me 5. If you want to do the other way, you could have all 8, take away the 5 red, and that would leave you with the 3 purple. Okay, looking at the back, draw the counters. We have a total of 6. We have one of our parts is 3. So if we're going to do our addition, I'm going to say 3 plus something gives me 6. So I'm going to start with 3 and count up. 3, 4, 5, 6. How many did I draw? 3 more. So 6 take away 3 gives us 3. Okay, number 5. Rosie buys 10 beads to make a bracelet. She buys 3 blue beads and some white beads. How many white beads does Rosie buy? Well, I'm going to make a part whole. I know the whole is 10 because that's how many she bought. It says 3 blue. 1, 2, 3. So we're missing how many white ones. So 3 plus something is going to give us 10. So I'm going to start at 3 and I'm going to count up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many dots do I have to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 7 is 10. Our takeaway fact will be 10 take away 3 equals 7. So she needs 7, or she got 7 white beads. All right, here we go back to our shapes again. If the triangle plus the circle equals a square, then what's the takeaway fact? Well, the square is the whole number. That's the big number. Take away one of the small numbers, and we're left with the other small number. Or you could also start with the big number, take away the circle, and then you're left with the triangle. I know, kind of confusing. Number 7, if the rectangle is the big number. Okay, oh my goodness, look, they have it flipped around here. Here's the equal sign. So we have to make our subtraction fact over here. So we're going to start with our big number, the purple rectangle, take away one of the small rectangles, and we're going to be left with the other rectangle. But it's a little confusing there because the equal sign is over on this side instead of this side. Tia and Sue make 8 baskets. If Sue makes 2 baskets, how many baskets does Tia make? All right, so here's our part whole. The total is 8 baskets. Sue makes 2 of them. How many does Tia make? So we have 2 plus something equals 8. So let's count. 1, 2. All right, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many circles did I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Do you see it down here? 2 plus 6 equals 8. But be careful. It says choose all that apply. Do you see another one that would work? What if we take these 2 numbers and flip them around and we end up with 6 plus 2 equals 8? All right.